All right, so what makes the competition so special? First of all, the engine has 570 horsepower, which is, I think, roughly about 20 horsepower more than the V10 Plus. This car has the S-tronic transmission, 7-speed, dual clutch. Also, it's full of carbon fiber in matte, which has the wing is in carbon fiber, rear diffuser, the side trims are in carbon fiber. When you open the door, you'll see that the car has carbon fiber door sills with illuminated R8 Competition sign right there. Also, full interior is also in this matte carbon fiber finish. And we are going to unwrap it later in this video, so stay tuned. So the front bumper has carbon fiber canards and a valance in carbon fiber. This car also has carbon ceramic brakes with anodized red calipers. Has the diamond stitched interior finished in leather. The headliner is also finished in diamond stitching, and it's finished in Alcantara. You can see that the mirrors are also in carbon fiber. Okay, as you can see, this engine bay is covered with matte carbon fiber trim. So as the whole car, this is the most carbon fiber you will see on a production car. And it's really compared. You can kind of compare it to 2012 Audi R8 GT, which has a lot of similar elements and parts on this car, including the brakes, which are carbon ceramic and with red anodized calipers. The wheels are also the same as in the GT car. So this is pretty close to facelifted GT version. Here on the inside, you can see that there's a lot of matte carbon fiber, including the door sills, which are also illuminated. All the interior is finished in the leather interior with diamond stitching. The headliner is also finished in diamond stitching and Alcantara material. Mirrors are done in carbon fiber. You have a front splitter or valance, whatever you want to call it, also in carbon fiber, but this car is missing that, obviously, after the accident. This car used to have canards in carbon fiber. So those things will give away the competition package. Let's talk more about the damage. When we got this car, it had a wheel, it had suspension on it. The car did not start because of the blown airbags, but after changing the fuse relay on the battery, we got it to start right up. The battery is located here. We struggled a little bit pulling out of the trunk or front compartment, parts to get to the battery itself. But once we got to it, we replaced the battery, replaced the fuse, got it to start right up, and it was a run and drive vehicle. But since then, we sold a few parts from this car, including front right suspension and the transmission. But yeah, this car was definitely repairable, except it does have a frame damage. For those of you who would be interested in knowing, there is some impact to this part of the frame, which bent this upper rail a little bit, and the bottom got damaged right here. But the bottom mostly is damaged, like right here in the bottom corner. That's it. Radiators are obviously damaged, hood, and some other parts. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any interest in any parts, also please let me know in the comments. And until then, see you next time.
This car is definitely
To be honest, I thought it would take us a couple days to do it, but next thing you know, put some hog onto it, some priors, and I think we've done it in about like 5-6 hours.
hard with the.
I don't care. I just need parts to live.
Just say that. Coming in. That's good.
To become a real caller for this exotic car.
I was impressed. This is my first time doing this type of stuff.